Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to extract data from your PowerPoint. So the first thing that we're gonna do is to open PowerPoint and open the file that we want. For example, I'm going to use this one, which is a class about human rights. It's in Spanish, but don't worry about that. Once that we are here, the steps are really easy. The only thing that we have to do is to come to view, and once here we're going to press on outline view. As you can see here, we will find all the text extracted. The only thing that we have to do is select it and then copy. You can copy with right click and copy or Ctrl+C, and now we can paste it, for example, on a Word file. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.